Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create a complete deck of cards from scratch. So this can be either a classic set of playing cards, a dramatic tarot deck, or something wildly original. As always, check the pinned comment for links to helpful resources and prompt templates to help you bring your deck to life. So for now, let's jump right in. Instead of starting with already asking ChatGPT for a deck of cards, let's start off something really simple. Go for one key card first. Think of this as like the soul of your deck, like the spearhead, like that could follow the style, story, symbolism. So let's walk through that with an example prompt I have. First of all, if you don't see like create image option right here, don't worry, there's an alternative way to do so. You can just type this. Oh, if you're wondering, hold on. Hold on. Wait. There we go. And this might take a while until this popped up. There we go. Create image. Boom. Okay. And here's my prompt right here. So I want ChatGPT to invent a tarot card called The Hollow Child for 78 card deck, dark folklore, forgotten childhood myths, and you could describe the card's concept, symbolic feeling, emotional tone, how it connects to the themes of memory, loss, and hidden identity, include how it would appear upright, reversed, and what its presence in a reading might signal. Okay, so yeah, designing a dark folklore tarot deck, sorry about that, and I want this, the central card, the starting one, captures the themes, mystery, inner conflict, and transformation. Okay, so let's send this one to ChatGPT and see how it would process with the image generation. All right, let's send this right now. Okay, there we go. It's getting started. All right, it's currently loaded up. It might take a while. It depends on the progression speed. Just be patient. Okay, there we go. It's now loading. Just keep waiting for this. Okay. Let's just wait for a while. And would you know, look at that. It's currently loaded up right now. Okay, it's scrolling down so far. Oh, okay, this one's a bit scary. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that. The child and the oh. Okay, this is getting a little eerie right there. Oh boy. Right. Just let it wait out. Okay. It will finish. It will finish. There we go. Here we go. And here is the final product. Okay. There we go. The Hollow Child. As you can see, the sketch design here. Whoa, that is actually really scary. It's actually really embodied what I would detailed in my prompt. Okay. It's very soulless, very grim, and the color scheme, and yeah, it really fits with the ideal tarot deck that I would do, for instance. So yeah, we've got that foundation right over here. And yeah, let's go deeper in the next few segments. See? It's really cool. All right, now that we've crafted the Hollow Child right over here, once more. Okay, that is a little bit scary. All right, moving on. It's time to build supporting cards that feels connected to this card right here. Again, by theme, folklore or emotional contrast. So this step helps round out the deck with variety while keeping the whole thing cohesive. Okay, here's a simple prompt right over here. Okay, so I would ask ChatGPT to create an additional tarot card that forms a loose narrative arc with the Hollow Child, which is this one. One card should represent like a companion figure who embodies protection or guidance. Okay, hold on. Let me just back away. There we go. Okay, now finished with assembling it, create image, my prompt, and we send it over right about now. Okay, let's just wait for a while. It's getting started. Again, just be patient. It may take a while, but not too long. But it depends on the process. So, as we're currently waiting for the rendered image right here, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Alright, as you can see, it's starting to roll down with the card image right here. Oh, goodness gracious. It's all so scary. It's a skull, the same color palette, same sketch. Oh, geez. Okay. This is a little. Okay. Oh my gosh. Hello, the Wraith Guardian. Okay, let's just ignore the eye. Yeah, it looks really good. Okay, see, here's the whole card itself. And yep, also, we could do one more right over here. Okay, so another additional tarot card. Okay, Hollow Child, one card. This one is Transformation or Escape. All right, simple as that. Hold on, let me just. There we go. It's create image, prompt, send it over. Boom. Then we let ChatGPT load it up with the image. Okay, once again, just wait for a bit for the image process to finish. Okay, pretty sure this might not take long. All right. All right. Third image. Here we go. Okay, so I'm seeing a butterfly. Okay, a bigger butterfly. Oh, yeah. I'm seeing it. A bigger butterfly. Oh, wait, is that looks like a okay. That's actually beautiful. Wow. Would you look at that? Okay. Look at this one. Okay, the Mothbound. It's what it's called. I think it looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You can just type up with the details that is connected to the first card. Just do it so on and so forth until you get all the deck of cards that you wanted. So yeah, so whether you're designing a mystical tarot, a folklore inspired oracle, or a custom party game deck, well, ChatGPT right here makes the process way more creative and way less overwhelming. Tell me in the comments what kind of deck you're working on. I'd love to hear your ideas. And until next time, keep imagining new worlds one card at a time. Till next time in the next video. Bye.